Is your Hyundai Elantra's alarm constantly going off? Let's pinpoint the cause. Common culprits include faulty door hood switches, key fob issues, or BCM problems. First, check door and hood switches for dirt, corrosion, or misalignment. These sensors trigger the alarm if they incorrectly signal an open door or hood. Next, test your key fob by replacing the battery and ensuring no signal interference from other electronics. If problems persist, the BCM might be the issue. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for trouble codes like DTC B1A0, indicating a BCM fault. Remember, as of 2025, many newer Elantras have Bluetooth integrated alarms, which can reduce false positives by connecting to your smartphone. Ignoring these alarms can lead to alarm fatigue, so addressing them quickly is crucial. For key fob issues, start by replacing the battery. Open the casing, insert a new battery, and test the range by locking and unlocking from various distances. If the key fob doesn't resolve the issue, try a BCM reset. For the ignition cycle method, turn the key to on position 5 times within 10 seconds while holding the lock button. Alternatively, disconnect the car's 12-volt battery for 15 minutes to clear error codes. For newer models, Hyundai's over-the-air updates through the BlueLink app can remotely diagnose and reset BCM errors, often avoiding the need for dealership visits. While DIY fixes like lubricating switches can work, more complex issues require professional help to prevent safety risks or warranty voiding.